Right, okay, so taking that was the second pipe I've just seen. Obviously that's the second one I've just seen apparently, but obviously that doesn't seem to be in the right height position at the moment, so as you can see that one was Piper PA-28-161 that was. And as you can see the rate is G-CBKR, that is. Whereas if the other one we didn't get a rate of that, but anyway, whereas if the first one we've just saw, that wasn't on the ADXB tracking app, so whereas if the other one we didn't get to see was the other one we didn't get to see, but obviously the other one that wasn't on the ADXB and Plane Finder and especially Flight Radar 24. But now as you can see, this is now came on this is now came on ADXB. Which as you can see here, look, it doesn't tell me what height it's flying at, to be fair though. It's saying it's on the ground though, that's the only thing, but it's saying speed 160 knots, that is. And doesn't say what altitude is at, to be fair. That's so strange though. I think Flight 24 should have that. Nope, Flight 24 hasn't got that one actually. Nope, Flight 24 hasn't got that one. I suppose Plane Finder should do. God, look at that though, see there, look. That's saying that's going to be even higher, that is. Jesus Christ, look at that. That can't be flying up that high though, literally. Obviously, to be fair though, I think to me it was flying at 45,000 feet, I think. Whereas if that might have flown at 45,000 feet though. Let's have a look where it's come from though. So I think it might have roughly took off from his base to Exeter Airport by the looks of it. I think that's where its starting route has come from. Might have come from somewhere nearer to Duxwell you can see Duxwell Airfield. So yeah, I think that's where it might have come from. Duxwell Airfield. I think that's where it might have took off from apparently. And as you can see, that is the white plane as well. That is the white plane sort of one, as you can see. And that's saying Piper PA-28-161, but that's also Cherokee Warrior, that is. And that's saying the registration there, G-CBKR, that is. So that's the second Piper we've just seen apparently. Obviously the other one was I think the other one was Piper PA-28-140, but I think the other one I might have a look of the registration anyway. I think I might have saw it there, but I can't remember what registration it was though. But anyway, so okay, so yeah, thanks for watching, bye bye.